Hello everybody, I am G. Bavadarani of 2nd MSc Foods and Nutrition from Vellalar College for Women, Erode. Today we are going to see about pre-workout nutrition. Exercise and nutrition, both of them are equal important to our health. Exercise is the king and nutrition is the queen. Together you can have a kingdom. If God made it, eat it. There are variety of fruits and vegetables and variety of colors. You can consume it. It does not contain any hazardous chemical in it. If man made it, avoid it. It is full of toxins, artificial flavors and chemicals. It will cause adverse health effects to our body. Now, on the screen, you are seeing the traditional food pyramid and nutritionally improved food pyramid. Previously, carbohydrates are consumed in the wider amount, but as of now, in the nutritionally improved one, leafy greens, legumes and nuts and seeds are taken in the wider amount. As we climb up the hill of this food pyramid, meat, flour and sugar should be taken in the lesser amount. Okay, coming into the topic, pre-game meals, that is 2 to 3 hours prior to the event. Everyone have doubt that what should I eat before a workout and at what time should I eat it. Shall I eat it right before workout or to eat it before an hour? Come on, let's see about that. What is the trick and treat in this is, we have to include all the carbohydrate, protein and healthy fat in our diet. Many of them have doubt that carbohydrates will boost up our glucose level and it is not good for health. Simple carbohydrates only cause damage to our health, that is like processed foods and drinks, french fries, then breads and donuts. Complex carbohydrates are very good to our health, that is like sweet potatoes, green leafy vegetables, whole bread, broccoli, banana and berries. These fruits are very helpful before the pre-workout nutrition. What are these? These are apple, plums, berries, pear and citrus fruits like orange. They are very healthier. Avoid to drink it as juice because it will hike up your glucose level in the body. These fruits are great right before a game or workout as they give you a small glucose spike without the massive plummet. Many experts have advised athletes to load up on carbs before a long distance event. But the fact is, burning sugar is not what happens over long distances. Then what happens? After a short period of time, particularly at slower phases, your body is burning fats and not sugar. Banana is known as the energy of the powerhouse. It is an easy to go meal. You have no time preparation. You should not have any time to specially prepare a meal for that before a workout. You can easily eat a banana. It is very nutritious one. And you can also take peanut butter. It is also a nutritious one. And then these foods are taken before an hour or 2 hours before the workout. That is paneer tikka, boiled eggs and wheat rava upma. Okay, we have seen what are the foods that can be taken before a workout or before 1 hour, like that. Okay, now I have no time. I have to work out just now. Like that means you can take black coffee and green tea. Black coffee and green tea contain zero fat in it. Drinking this just before exercise may increase fat burning and reduce muscle damage. You can take raisins and dates along with the black coffee, and then you can also consume coconut water. Thank you so much. I hope that I have poured some knowledge into you about the pre-workout nutrition. Now my friend Vaishnavi will take up the session. Thank you.
Hey, hi everyone. Yeah, I'm Vaishnavi, pursuing second MSc Foods and Nutrition from Vellalar College for Women. First of all, I'm very much interested and glad to present my thoughts on post-workout nutrition in the Nutrition Week celebration occasion. Yeah, health is not valued till sickness comes. In today's world, it can be a challenge, but the payoff is huge, our health. Normally, everybody have a certainty that what are all the foods and nutrition important after workout. But the research says individual benefits in getting just your post-workout nutrition right or getting just your pre-workout nutrition right. But the real world experience shows that you're both getting equally or very much right. The post-workout refers to the anabolic phase and pre-workout refers to energy phase. Quite simply, your post-workout meal is the meal that plays the largest role in supplying your body with everything it will need to replenish, recover and adapt to the training stimulus that you just provided during your workout. It reduces the cortisol levels. So your primary goal with your post-workout meal is to consume a significant amount of both carbs and protein in some form soon after your workout. However, this meal should ideally be eaten within the first 60 minutes after your workout, better yet within the first 30 minutes after your workout. So let's move to the interesting session, post-workout nutrition. Carbohydrate, your body's glycogen stores are used as a fuel during exercise, so while consuming the carb food, it helps to replenish your body. Rice. Do you know rice will give you a quick boost of energy by restocking your muscles and cells with glycogen and glucose respectively, and you thought rice was bad for you. Well, not when you have it within 2 hours after your workouts and also have a cup of veggies and a source of protein. So another interesting food or sweet potato is another good choice. It is low in calorie, great for replenishing the glycogen stores and keeps you satiated for a longer duration. If you are on a weight loss mission or looking to control your blood sugars, have boiled sweet potatoes in your diet. Let's move on to the protein. Consuming an adequate amount of protein after a workout gives your body the amino acid it needs to repair and rebuild. Have a whole eggs are excellent sources of water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins and mineral, and most importantly, essential amino acid. They are good for your post-workout meal as they loaded with proteins. Curd contains more protein than regular yogurt and helps to improve your satiety level. It is a great snack option, and consuming it in your post-workout meal is a way to keep your hunger pangs in control for a longer period. It is an ideal option too. Next nutrients is vitamins and mineral. WHO recommends consuming 4 to 5 types of fruits and veggies per day. You can easily add a banana, spinach, carrot to your post-workout meal, even blend them as one. A man is what he eats. So thank you for patient listening and thank you once again.